Well, so today we're here at the JBM stand, and with us is Nishant Arias, of course, the Vice Chairman of the JBM Group. Well, Nishant, thanks for your time. First of all, just tell us a little bit about this Galaxy series. What was the thought process behind this, and how is it? And just tell us some details that you want to highlight.
So Galaxy has been the ethos of redefining luxury, comfort and safety for all passengers, and really seeing that a luxury car-like ride when they are using this vehicle. And since it's meant for the longer routes, whether for sleeper or seater applications, I think it makes a lot of sense for us to understand what exactly is it in it for us in the longer term when the passengers start using such types of public transport solutions instead of personal vehicles. Plus, we have also seen in this case that on a long-term basis, how we are using best-in-class technology, so high-density, ultra-performing lithium-ion batteries, ultra-fast charging, very comfortable, almost flat bed on the seats as well, and highest technology in terms of the movement in the bus, the kind of materials which have been used, the kind of software systems which have been used, the kind of powertrain which is there in this. So there are no jerks in the vehicle, and you are really able to redefine the product portfolio.
Also, just tell us, a lot of interest over here. We had some people who visit the bus. Just tell us about the order book, because I believe you already have a big order book in this.
So we have the largest order book in the country today in the electric bus market with 10,500 buses.
Okay.
And our Galaxy product has the highest range in the portfolio, where we are doing 1,000 kilometers per day. At the same time, we see that the buses are having a huge potential in this segment, because in multiple markets people are looking forward to such vehicles where they are trouble free and they can use them on a regular basis.
And also tell us about some of the big, new challenges maybe, and also about some big opportunities that are coming up in the next year or so.
So as you have seen in the last 2 years, the big change which has been there is that the complete TCO, total cost of ownership for such vehicles, has become positive independent of any subsidies in any region, and the autonomy has increased. We have brought in and launched our new set of batteries and our new ultra fast charging systems, dynamic charging technologies, new power electronics and semiconductors, our ultra modern software and new manufacturing lines. Our capacity today is about 20,000 electric buses per year, which is the largest in the world outside China. So idea is to see that how from each and every aspect you are giving best in class experience to the end customer.
And also tell us about the ambulance vehicle that you have. I think that's also a big highlight of this stroll. Just briefly tell us about that as well.
So we have eMediLife, that's the first mobile medical unit of the country. It was unveiled by the Honorable Lok Sabha Speaker Shri Birla ji, Shri JP Nadda ji, and Shri Manohar Lal ji last month in the Parliament. And it has received a lot of traction, as it is hospital on wheels, where it can go to all rural areas and tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 cities, addressing the needs of the customer in all the regions.
And my last question is, how has your experience been at the Auto Expo? A lot of interest about JBM, but how has your experience been at this year's Expo?
No, experience has been fantastic. We have had a lot of our global stakeholders like customers, investors, bankers, suppliers, and new potential customers who are looking at all the products and really seeing that the kind of experience which we have, which is almost close to 200 million e-kilometers we have clocked. So that gives customers a huge confidence. Our team, after sales team of 5,000 people on ground across all the regions in India and across the world, I think has been a big game changer. In addition to our R&D capabilities in India and globally, with more than 500 engineers, I think that is the biggest game changer as we see things going forward.
Well, my last final question is that, you have a lot of competition now in India. A lot of other manufacturers have come up in the last 2-3 years. So what is the big advantage that you have over all these other manufacturers who are now getting into, this same space?
So we are an EV ecosystem provider. So we have our battery technology in-house, vehicle technology in-house, charging technology in-house, power electronics in-house, software in-house. So that's the USP, and that is why today with our order book, we have about 35 to 40% of the market share in India. We are the only company which is exporting electric buses worldwide to Europe, to Middle East, to Africa, to Southeast Asia, Australia, all the regions in the world. And at the same time, we are a company which is focused only on buses. We are today making only buses. You see, we have 7 different platforms: Galaxy, Express, EcoLife, then we have MediLife, we have SkyLife, and so on and so forth. So I think clearly we have been able to redefine the economics in the market and see that how we are taking things forward in a manner where from a longer term horizon, each and every customer would be minting money when they are using such products which are trouble free, maintenance free. From 2000 moving parts, we're reducing to 20 odd moving parts. The charging time is 45 minutes to 1 hour, so they are able to really have very high level of asset utilization, giving them a positive TCO. We are having a global tie with multiple funds which are leasing our vehicles and which are selling these vehicles, funding these vehicles for our customers. With a very fast turnaround time. So I think that gives customers very high comfort.
Well, on that positive note, guys, if you're on the road, then always check out the JBM range. As he said, the largest manufacturer of EV buses outside of China. Thanks, Nisha, once again for your time, and all the best to you.
Thank you.